In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Mail app on your Windows. For it, you just need to go to the Windows search option. Then you need to search for Microsoft Store, and there you can see it is showing Microsoft Store. Just click on Microsoft Store. Then in the search option, you need to search for Gmail. There you can see Gmail. If you just click on it, you will see this option called Mail. Click on Mail. Then you need to click on this Get option. There you can see it is downloading, and once the download is complete, it will automatically start installing Mail in our Windows. And there you can see the download is complete. If you now just click on Open, it will open Mail over here. And we just need to sign in over here with our Gmail address. You can also sign in with your Microsoft or Yahoo. Okay. So this is how you can download and install Mail app on your Windows. I hope this was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.